Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. Binance is having a price pump tonight that can turn you into a millionaire. News about Shiba Inus. Tuesday saw a rise in token values for a sixth session, with Shiba Inu being one of the major winners. SHIB traded at a low of 0.863 early in the day, but it quickly rose to a high of 0.9593 later in the day. Shiba Inu reached its greatest level since December 5 as a result of this late price rise. The 10-day and 25-day moving average crossovers occurred in an upward direction, which prompted today's surge. We'll discuss Shiba Inu news and tonight's Binance price pump that might make you a fortune in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Shern, a Twitter account that monitors Shiba Inu burns, claims that Binance took a whopping 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens out of the shibaswap decentralized exchange staking pool. The largest cryptocurrency exchange removed 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the shibaswap staking pool after Binance unstaked the coin with a K9 theme. 12.6 trillion SHIB was valued $16.23 million at the time of the transaction. Even after eliminating more than 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from the staking pool, the top cryptocurrency exchange continued to stake SHIB tokens on shibaswap. Later, Binance restaked 4 trillion SHIB, or $36.28 million, on the platform, according to Shib Burn. Remarkably, the exchange strove to reclaim the asset in the shibaswap staking pool after first transferring the 4 trillion SHIB tokens to an anonymous wallet. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu burn tracker shows that there are currently 18.1 trillion SHIB staked in the staking pool. It is important to note that Shib Burn's revelation coincides with the burn tracker's efforts to inform the Shiba army about the massive 4 trillion SHIB tokens that Binance previously transferred to shibaswap. In the meantime, the Shiba Inu community responded to the development in a number of ways. The most important response was from Shib BPP, a well-known Shiba Inu influencer. Binance has an active wallet on shibaswap that was made on the same day the Shiba Inu team launched the DShip, according to Shib BPP. According to BPP, Binance uses the wallet to stake SHIB in D's staking pool, make reward claims, and give users access to the payouts. Kiosis, the ecosystem's NFTs, will be celebrated at a mint party hosted by the Bugatti Group as part of a special edition event, according to Shiba Inu. As NFT Genesis holders, our most loyal and supportive Shib token holders will now be able to own tangible goods and collectible NFTs thanks to this cooperation. According to the company, there will only be 299 Binance Edition releases in addition to a very rare first edition release with a mint price of 0.14 ET. 95% of the mints come with a limited edition crossbody baggage bag from the Bugatti Group. 5% of all mints will win a carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group, up to 15 fortunate community members. The Twitter Spaces event will mark the launch of the minting portal. But a week after the mint procedure ends, the redemption site will open. January 15th is the date of the Shosher and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event. At the peak of a sinking wedge, the Chibu price is currently trading. This comes after an attempt to breach the resistance of the pattern for a 6,662 move to 0.158 was unsuccessful. The pattern's upper trend line supports the steadfast resistance, which is located at 0.956 and corresponds with the 100-day exponential moving average. The Shiba Inu price receives the much-needed support from the 5-day EMA at 0.882 to gather adequate liquidity for the second breakout attempt. Bulls may soon attempt to resume the uptrend, particularly in light of the moving average convergence-divergence indicators by signal. Furthermore, the divergence established by the blue line from the red line and the continuous movement of the MACD above the mean line all reinforce the bullish prognosis for the price of Shiba Inus. It may therefore only be a question of when rather than if there will be a break from the collapsing wedge. Recall that in just 4 days, the Shoshi's and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event will take place, perhaps drawing further attention from investors to Shib. Purchase orders could be appropriately positioned above the wedge pattern or, if preferred, the 100-day EMA. It is anticipated that a recovery above the pattern would increase quickly to 0.158, or a 6,662 move. The goal is the separation between the wedge's broadest points as measured from the breakout point. The Shibu community is anticipating the release of the protocol of Shiba Inu. As the end of 2022 approached, there was a sharp increase in speculation over its delivery. Nevertheless, the upgrade is beset by delays. With Shib, Shib's scalability will be enhanced while maintaining a direct connection to the Ethereum network. The Shibu development team says they will shortly release Shibainu, a blockchain solution for Layer 2. The community is hoping for a debut in the first quarter of 2023, although no official date has been declared as of yet. Shiba Inu, one of the top cryptocurrencies that many retail investors are keeping an eye on, is once again experiencing strong growth. The 24-hour increase of 5.6% on January 11 raises Shib's year-to-date gain to almost 14%. Cryptocurrencies, and meme tokens in general, are rising at the moment for a number of reasons. Most people consider these assets to be high beta opportunities to profit from this year's rising asset prices. More speculative assets are being driven off their lows by expectations that interest rates may reach their terminal rate in the first half of the year before a pause. Whales have also shown more interest in Shiba Inu, with 28.7 million trades this month. As with most cryptocurrencies, a sizable portion of Shib is owned by a small number of people, so these acts have the potential to significantly alter the price of a particular token. This is a crucial aspect that many investors will keep an eye on. Finally, from the standpoint of tokenomics, Shibainu's upcoming Shibainu, which will burn tokens for each transaction on the network, and the debut of its metaverse enhance this project's attractiveness. At a price of almost $5 billion, Shibainu has grown from a tiny cryptocurrency coin. It is therefore unlikely to ever again go on a multi-million percentage run, as that would drive this project's valuation into incomprehensible limits. While it is possible to predict that Shiba Inu can soar from here, real cash flows and profits are actually available to investors in a number of companies valued at far less than $5 billion. It is possible that these kinds of gains will remain improbable in the near future. With a reserves-to-liability ratio of more than 1:1, WazirX, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in India, has made available its proof of reserves. WazirX reports reserves worth $286 million, with the Shibu token as the highest holding worth almost $54 million, the company announced on Wednesday. The security and safety of customer cash are our first priorities at WazirX. In light of this, we have made public our independent proof of reserves report and wallet addresses list of exchanges. The study states that WazirX has $86.1 million in reserves, $2,259.65 million in cryptocurrency assets on the exchange, and $26.45 million on the blockchain. 6.09 trillion Shiba Inu, 1,356,550 Ethereum, 303.32 million Doge, and 165.3 million Matic make up the top 5 held reserves. Additionally, the native token WX reserves of the cryptocurrency exchange are $956.7 million, or around $14 million. WazirX asserted after publishing its BO report that it has enough cash on hand to cover user demands in an emergency. Furthermore, the reserve-to-liability ratio of the cryptocurrency exchange is greater than 1. By reserves, WazirX is currently the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in India. WazirX had already promised to make their proof of reserves available. It stated that from $43 billion in November 2021 to $10 billion in November 2022, the trading volume had decreased by 76%. That justified the government's December 2018 action on the CBDC and crypto tax. The cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX, which has $43.99 million in total holdings, released its proof of reserves report. The top 5 holdings were also disclosed in the report as Shib, Matic, and Doge. it follows that these tokens are primarily preferred by Indian users. We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.